It might seem wrong, but statistically, Vietnam has surpassed China as Asia's best performing economy. This is largely as a result of the trade war between the US and China, which has shifted supply chains away from China and towards Vietnam. However, this is not the only reason behind Vietnam's economic progress. So here's the big question. Is Vietnam the next China? The Asian nation evolved from being one of the world's poorest to thriving middle-income economies in just 36 years. What's more incredible is that the population of the country is relatively young, with a median age of 32.5 years. With such a young population, luxury brands are in huge demand in Vietnam, and that has resulted in luxury brands from all over the world to open their business in Vietnam. This has resulted in greater business and international private investment coming to the country. To increase private investment, the government signed the EU-Vietnam Trade Agreement in 2019, which erased 99% of tariffs and decreased several regulatory barriers, thus benefiting the luxury sector significantly. Some luxury companies instantly recognized the opportunity and opted to develop their presence in the country. This was given more traction with the German automobile giants. Porsche opened its retail outlet in Hanoi. In comparison to China or Japan, Vietnam's luxury goods business is understandably small. However, with sales from the personal luxury goods market expected to reach $976 million in 2021, this market is predicted to increase at a rate of 6.67% each year. While other developing countries spend extensively on social welfare to satisfy voters, Vietnam invests in its infrastructure by building highways and ports to transport commodities overseas and schools to train workers. The government spends roughly 8% of GDP on new construction projects each year and currently has better infrastructure than any other country at a similar level of development. Foreigners' money is likewise directed in the same direction. This is evident from the fact that foreign direct investment has averaged more than 6% of GDP in Vietnam over the last 5 years, which is the highest percentage of any rising country. The majority of it is used to construct industrial plants and related infrastructure, and most of it now originates from Asian neighbours such as South Korea, Japan and China. Vietnam has also been a popular destination for export producers looking for lower labour costs. Although Vietnam's average yearly per capita income has nearly quadrupled since the late 1980s, to about $3,000 per person, the cost of labour remains half that of China, and the working force is remarkably well educated for its socio-economic class. That skilled labour is assisting Vietnam in moving up the ladder to manufacture increasingly sophisticated items, possibly faster than any competitor. At this rate, Vietnam might achieve upper middle income status by 2030 of a per capita income of more than $7,000. So barring any political or natural crisis, Vietnam is well on the road to becoming the next China. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please share and leave a comment. We love reading your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe.